Welcome back. So today I want to talk about who do you hire for support? So you got the application, you need help with the application, but now you don't know who can help you with the application. You might have reached out to some people or even hired some people, and you started the application process, and midway through the process you figured out this wasn't the right person for you. They don't know as much as they said they knew, so you're back at step one. My name is Taria. I help aspiring providers become licensed so that they can have a six-figure agency supporting individuals with developmental disability. So, who do you hire? You have a step-by-step framework that you can, work with somebody who's worked in the field for many years. And what I mean by working in the field, they've actually worked with individuals with developmental disability. They've actually worked in a company. They ran the company. They owned or operated the company. So they know all the ins and outs of how you support and run an agency with individuals with intellectual disabilities. You have people sometime trying to help others that when they've only worked for an agency. So it's completely different working for an agency than it is actually owning and operating an agency. There's a lot of, policy and procedures that you have to abide by. There's a lot of mandated requirements that you have to make sure you fulfill. There's a lot of back end part of the business that you need to be fully aware of because you're overseen by the state. So, you have to have detailed information on how that process goes in order to help somebody else through the process. So, if you have somebody with experience of 15, 20 years of working for an agency, it is not the same as owning and operating an agency. Okay, so that could be one of the problems that you ran into. Another problem that you could be running into is that you have somebody that's willing to do everything for you. You not needing to create any of the policy and procedures, any of the systems, any of the financial management. There's a company that will do it all for you. But let me tell you something, you don't want that either, because policy, procedures, system, financial management are forever changing. There's always updates that the state require. There's always things that need to be, changed or created again because a new protocol was, required by the state. So you need to have the knowledge to be able to create these things yourself. You need somebody that's going to teach you how to create the policy and procedures, the system, the financial management. You need to know all of the ins and outs of your company so that if changes do come about, you have the ability to make those changes and you don't need to spend more money hiring somebody to make those changes for you. So you need somebody that's willing to educate you on the process, but not just anybody. You need somebody that's experienced that can educate you on the process. So if you are looking for somebody that's experienced, please look a couple of videos back that I talked about, a little bit about my experience, why I do what I do, and how I can help others build a six-figure agency supporting individuals with developmental disabilities. So, let me know if there's some assistance needed. I'll be more than happy to help you through the certification and licensing process so that you can have the business of your dreams. Thank you. Bye.